Surprise, surprise, another annual holiday is coming up. Easter, springtime. So I thought I'd be weird and do another photo shoot like I did for Valentine's Day, because I've been very bored and buying things to do photo shoots with has been keeping me going. Similar to the Valentine's Day thing, I've bought some like props and stuff. I've bought clothes, accessories to go with like the springtime theme. I made a Pinterest board looking at photo shoots and stuff that I was interested in. Like there's this one with like Miley Cyrus, the bunny for Easter, which I like. I kind of went down a rabbit hole. Went down a rabbit hole of just finding like cute outfits, cute colour schemes and stuff, which I thought would look nice. So I've bought some stuff and then I'm going to do some photos with them. I'm also going to use some stuff that I already have in my wardrobe. So props wise, I got a roll of wrapping paper with butterflies on. I'm just going to use it like a backdrop to go along with the butterfly photo shoot. I got some of these little clip-on butterflies. I'm thinking putting them in my hair, clipping them on like my clothes and maybe even my shoes, maybe like positioning them around me. I also made some earrings. I make jewellery and sell it sometimes. And so there'll be a link to my Depop down below, and there's literally a matching pair to these ones if you so want some. I also got a load of coloured cellophanes because gels are really expensive and they basically do the same job. I just have to make sure that they won't melt because I want to change the colours so it looks cool. For the main Easter outfit, I got some clothing pieces. This little pink skirt with a fluffy cutout. I did buy it mainly with the purpose of doing this video, but I will probably wear it another time because it is cute. I've got some little bunny ears. I did get some other bunny ears, but they had yellow on the inside and I was like, I've kind of gone for a pink theme. Because for the bunny one, I'm wanting to do like a Playboy bunny, kind of Playboy bunny photo shoot. I got this pink corset. It's really cute. It looks much better on than when I'm just holding it up. Those are all the things I bought to do my photo shoot with. Now I'm gonna try and see if I can put a backdrop together or a setup, I don't know. And then I'm gonna try and start doing the actual photo shoot and do my makeup and everything, so. This is my setup corner. It is messy right now. I'm gonna have a little play around with things, but I'm gonna move stuff out of the way first. I'm going to do my butterfly makeup now. I'm going to do pink and yellow thing, but I'm going to try and make wings. I'm going to come out like this and then have a similar thing on the bottom with the yellow. I need to put my outfit on and then I need to figure out where I'm putting butterflies. I have the outfit that I shall be wearing. I was going to film in the garden because we have like fake grass, but the cat has pooped all over it and it is not suitable for my photography aesthetic. I bought some expanding wood trellis and I'm going to put flowers and butterflies on it and see if that works for the bunny photo shoot. I don't know how I'm going to hang it. I bought some command strips to put up the trellis thing because I don't really want to put nails in the wall. Wow! I have a basket full of fake flowers. I'm gonna see what they look like. for this makeup look. I'm gonna do pink and white cut crease. Need to do my hair now. I need to incorporate my bunny ears. Those were my two spring/Easter looks. It was quite fun doing something a little bit different. I know I always do pink, to be fair, but I don't usually have the lighting and I don't usually have like big props and things. If you fancy checking anything else out, I usually do videos on Fridays and blog posts on Wednesdays, and links to everything will be down below. That is all I have for you this week. I hope you've enjoyed watching me dress up like a bunny and like a little butterfly fairy thing. I hope everyone has a happy Easter if you celebrate it, and if not, I hope you have a good bank holiday. Bye.